Hi everyone, my name is Riku Tando. I'm a college student. Also, I'm interested in tatami. I was born in Kumamoto Prefecture, Yachiyo City, where main producing area for material of tatami. In other words, my hometown is Tatami City.
However, the number of tatami is getting loose in Japan by changing our lifestyle. Anyway, tatami is a fantastic flooring. I love its smell, touching, color, so on. But many of people don't know about tatami.
So then, I'd like to experience making tatami and craftsmanship. So now I'm in front of Kamariya Tatami workshop. It is located in Kanagawa Prefecture, Yokohama City. Let's go inside. 失礼します。Oh, the inside of tatami workshop is wrapped with the user smell. あ、こんにちは。
はい、こんにちは。
すみません、本日はよろしくお願いいたします。
もういらっしゃいませ。
He is professional tatami craftsman, Mr. Yahagi, the second generation of Kamariya Tatami workshop. Before showing the process of changing tatami omote, I will explain about the structure of tatami briefly. Basically, tatami is composed of three parts. The core material is tatami doko. It is made of straw. Also, it is 5 cm thick. Next, the facing of tatami is tatami omote. It is made of rush. Finally, tatami belly protects edge of tatami. There are many colors and many kinds of patterns. First, cutting old tatami belly and remove it. After removing old tatami belly, checking the dent of the tatami omote.
こういうとこわかる？へこんでるな。
ああ、若干、はい、若干。
あとこことか。
すげえ、やっぱ手がわかるんですね。In this scene, Craftsman is doing adjustment by swapping new tatami omote and making straight for edge of tatami omote.
ここがくっつかなきゃ。この曲がってる切ってるじゃない。ここの定規に合わなくちゃ。
ああ、ちょっとこっちが開いてるってことですか？
そうそうそう。ここ見て、上から見て、ここ少し隙間空いてない？
こっち側が、はい、やっぱり。
こうやっても来ないでしょ？
ああ、ちょっとこっちなんです。
そうそうそう。で、ちょっとここは
微調整してる。
そうそうそう。
へえ、すごい。
ついた？
ちょっとだけまだ開いてます。最近一番先方は。
ついた？
あ、今つきました。はい。
オッケー。
お、すげえ。From now on, we will sew new tatami belly on the tatami doko. Actually, I tried to sewing, but it was the most difficult work for me. Tatami was very thick, so I couldn't quite pass the needle through tatami doko. According to the Mr. Yahagi, some craftsmen penetrated the needle to his back of the hand. After I heard of this story, I was full of nervous.
全然あれですね、やっぱり思ってて。
修行ってだ。あっという間の時間でしょう。
いや、もうすごいあっという間です。でもこれがあっという間じゃダメなんですよ、もうね。
Next, please watch professional Mr. Yahagi's needle handling. Look at this! It is obvious.
まあ違う筋肉だからな。いや、スポーツマンだろ、スポーツマン。
はい。じゃあいただきます。
そして。
This is a picture that after sewing. On the middle of right picture, as you can see, the stitch is not straight. On the other hand, this stitch is complete straight. The sewn stitch proves the difference of skill level. As stated by Mr. Yahagi, the corner of tatami is essential. If corners are not neat, tatami is not put on tatami room. By the way, I meant tatami is the rightest picture. Obviously, the corner of tatami is tamified. This tatami wouldn't be fit in tatami, and tatami room will not be beautiful. So after I going home, Mr. Yahagi modified it. In fact, this is a picture that Mr. Yahagi made it. Tatami Craftsman align patterns of tatami belly next tatami intentionally. Not only laying out tatami, he sticks to set tatami belly neatly. If these patterns are not aligned face to face, there is no problem for using tatami. However, according to Mr. Yahagi, by aligning patterns, customers would feel refreshed when they see it. This is kind of attentive and Japanese craftsmanship, I think. From in this scene, I could watch craftsmanship by Mr. Yahagi. Finally, we have finished. This is complete tatami. It looks like brand new. After we changed tatami omote, I asked some question for Mr. Yahagi.
では畳職人の矢作さんなんですけども、なぜその畳職人になろうと思われたんですか？
はい。生まれてから物心ついてた時にはもう家業が畳店だったので、まあその道に進むのかなという感じで畳屋になりました。
わかりました。その畳職人としての中で、やっぱその仕事のやりがいといいますか、そういったものを教えていただいてもよろしいですか？
私どもはお客様と直接お話しする機会が多々ありますので、やっぱり完成品をお届けした時のダイレクトな感謝と喜びの声が聞けますので、それがやっぱりやりがいにつながりますね。
なるほどですね。いや最後にその今までの畳職人のキャリアの中でやっぱ印象に残ったエピソードみたいなのを教えていただいてもよろしいでしょうか？
はい。多々ある畳屋さんの中でやっぱりその人の一枚一枚に対する気持ちによって畳の仕上がりが全く違うということがしみじみ分かる世代になってきたと思います。だから今後も精進してまいりたいと思います。
なるほどですね。 りがとうございます。では、すみません、ありがとうございます。
いえ、お世話様です。
So, I've experienced changing old tatami to new one. Through this experience, I keenly aware of tatami craftsmanship. I am sure tatami craftsmen must have did demanding training for great tatami. After I noticing how great tatami craftsman is, I think I need admire tatami craftsmen more. Okay, so thank you for watching in this video. I would be happy if you know about tatami and its craftsmanship more. If you have any question about tatami and tatami craftsman, please give me comments. Okay, so bye.